Alright y'all, it's Grind Time Media again, back with another one. How to clean your evaporator coil inside your home. And basically, the situation is I'm getting cool, but on some days when it's really hot outside, it's hard to get cool. You know, I know that I'm reading about 40 degrees on the suction line, you know, my subcooling, so I'm not too worried about that. But also, my low side pressure seems to be good. But my filter was always changed as long as I've had the unit. But I noticed if you, I'm going to open this up for you so you can see. You know, if you're already a air conditioning man, then you already know about this, but you know, this is if you're sitting at home and before you call somebody and you check your filter, you might also want to check your coil and see what's going on with your coil. So I just changed this filter the other day. There's not much in here. There's literally just 2 pieces of lint that probably just, I don't know, but look at the coil. Right? Don't look that good. And you got some evidence of dust that's right over here. And you know, it's not going to condensate that well between them fins with this kind of dirt up here and dust. Might not be able to see it that good with the camera, but you can see. I see it. So what I decided to do was I went on Amazon and got some stuff to I got a can of stuff here. Open the box. I had a leak here from my evaporator coil that I haven't even fixed yet. I got tape from last time I had to deal with that situation, but that wasn't that long ago. But anyway, I got a video on that as well. You'll see. Check it out. Alright. Struggling to get this open, but I wanted to start it from scratch. Show y'all what I had. Alright, so there we go. And I got what you call foaming cleanser, foaming cleaner, heavy duty detergent. As simple as it says. Spray it on your coil and shake it up real good, and then as long as your drain line isn't clogged up, which I've checked mine recently, I have done that, you should be able to, it should run off. It shouldn't have to be it shouldn't. I'm shaking the camera might move because I'm trying to shake this stuff up. But you see the dirt and stuff and all that. It's dirty. I gotta spray all that stuff. And I can't see it that well. Yeah, this is yeah, it's dusty. So I'm gonna spray in there really good and leave the unit off. And it also has a nice little brush on the end of this, but I don't suggest using it unless you can really see what you're doing, because you can damage the fins, right? So now I'm just going to spray inside of here and then let it sit for a while. It's not that hot outside today, so just lost my light. Okay. Not that easy to get in here, but okay. This stuff's kind of a pain. I got a shelf sitting above. I might just take the shelf out. Because if I take the shelf out and all this junk up here, then I can do a better job. So let me do that. Alright, so this shelf was not easy to get out. I don't even have it out all the way. So the only thing that's keeping me from being able to get my head in here and get it. I can get my head in here a little bit, but I want to put this shelf up here, making it hard for me to but I am able to get a little bit more cleaner in there. So now I'm on the other side, cleaning the other side of the coil, doing the best I can, because I can't really, like I said, I got this crazy damn shelf that's lodged in this closet. I literally got to take it apart to be able to. There we go. Starting to get something up there now. So now I got the metering device. That's trying to get some spray, trying to get below that, or capillary tube, whatever you want to call it. There's a little tray that carries the water. Now I'm looking for signs. I see dirt all on this daggone, all on these fins. This stuff. I see all that dirt. So it's definitely working. I see that dirt. I see that dirt. See, if you got a little bit of, dirt on your coil, that could be causing your temperature not to get that refrigerant is not, could be changing state a little bit further down in the further down the line here. And that could cause you not to get that could cause things not to be that good. And please don't try to not inhale some of this stuff. It's strong. Whew. Alright. So we're knocking out dirt from everywhere. And then when you turn it back on, it'll wash some of that dirt away when you turn it back on. I see dirt. If you can look at that I'll show you some dirt. Look at that. It's coming off of that fin. The water's pushing off of that fin. So it'll clean it out, clean it a little better. And I'm sure, you know, there's always room for improvement. But I'm not going to use it all today. I got plenty in the can. See, it's starting to turn silver again, or like a silver color, like aluminum foil color. It's getting clean. So, like I said, there's no need to use it all up. When I turn the unit on, it starts to condensate. It'll help to wash the rest of that out. It'll start to come out with it, and it'll be good to go. And this is how you clean your coil. Or you can call me up, and I'll do it for $50. Alright, I'm going to show y'all one more thing. Make sure your condensation line is dripping. As you see, mine is jumping. I mean, water's just coming out of there. I mean, it's washing all that dirt and washing all that spray out of there. It's mixing up with the water and it's doing what it's supposed to do. So check on that. And I might give you an update to this video when the unit shuts off to let you know how it looks on in the coil. Alright? Alright, y'all. I got matching socks on today. No, I ain't got matching socks on. You know what? I don't care. Alright. I'm also going to check the temperature with my gadget here and see what the temperature is coming in. This is the closest vent to the well, it's not the closest vent. It's one of the closest vents to the return. I got 58 degrees, and about a week or so ago, before I did this job, wait a minute, I was at 59. But I mean, this doesn't really mean a whole lot. What means a whole lot is what your temperature is. There we go, 57. It's getting colder. What really matters is, see, I'm doing this video because a lot of you homeowners might not have gauges and all that stuff and know how to use that stuff. So I'm trying to show you how to do it yourself. Little things you can do. And the smell of this stuff when it comes out, I had to step outside. I got my mask on right now. I just took it off so you could hear me because this stuff smells so bad. Alright. I'm going over here. This one's a little closer to the return. And I'm reading 57. And so I'm down 2 degrees because I'm averaging about 57. And a few days ago, I was at like 50, I was at 59. So this helps. See? I dropped 2 degrees. Now that might not be a whole lot to you, but it's a lot in the summertime or in the middle of July. Alright, so the only way you're really going to know is if you hook up some gauges to it. But I just decided to give you that little demonstration with this on the outdoor condenser on the suction line, because it will give you an indication if you haven't done air conditioning before. It will give you an indication if you take a temperature out there and on your inside your vent before you spray the coil, indoor evaporator coil, and then do it afterwards. It should give you some kind of indication, but don't really trust this a whole lot because it might pick up the temperature from the outdoor conditions on your outdoor condenser fan. Well, here's how it looks now. I mean, it didn't come racing out of there, but it did make a difference. You see in the middle right there, it has knocked some of the dirt off in the middle. There's still a little bit caked up on the left and the right side, I suppose, especially on the side over there on the right. Over here, a little bit better results. This area here, I had to put a lot up there because I had the the low side line there, and the metering device was there. So basically, but it seemed to take it a little bit better on this side. This side here, still a little bit dusty. But I sprayed it, and then I ran it, and then this is the second application, and I've got a little bit more left. Maybe 1/4 of a can left, maybe half a can left, and if need be, I'll do it several times until I get it the way I want it. But it definitely let me know that it was worth it, and it let me know that it needed it. So this can help your pressure to lower even more, or your temperature is going to stay the same. But if you lower the pressure, you can change the temperature. So but that's it for right now. If you need it, go get some. It'll definitely help. And if you need to put one, it says on the can, if you want to put more than one application on it, then that's fine. And but overall, I think it's a success. I think it'll get to where I need it to go. The only other thing you could do is, if it wasn't in the unit, I could spray it with a water hose and spray straight through the middle of it and knock it all off. But this is the way you have to do it with the can. So I'm going to run it again. That's it. So this is part of an AC tune-up. Evaporator coil tune-up for the inside air handler. And there's another procedure for the outside condensing unit that you would do as well. You probably could use a garden hose on that part, but inside this is what it is. So if you like this video, like and subscribe. Scratch Time Media.